Today we've got a power-packed episode diving deep into the world of financial freedom. From battling inflation to breaking free from government control, we're here to explore why Bitcoin is your ultimate tool for true sovereignty. Ready to reclaim control of your wealth? Let's dive in! Bitcoin, the ultimate hedge against inflation and true financial sovereignty. In an era where governments can print money at will and central banks control the financial system, Bitcoin has emerged as a new frontier for financial freedom. It offers a compelling alternative to traditional banking, serving not just as an asset, but as a hedge against inflation and a way to truly own your money, free from the risks of expropriation and devaluation. Why Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation? Inflation is the silent eroder of wealth. When governments print more money to finance deficits, it reduces the purchasing power of every unit of currency in circulation. This can be seen throughout history, with countries like Argentina experiencing rampant inflation that rendered their national currency almost worthless. Similarly, in post-World War I Germany, hyperinflation devastated the economy, wiping out savings overnight. Bitcoin, by contrast, is deflationary. Its total supply is capped at 21 million coins, and no central authority can increase that supply. This finite nature makes it resistant to the inflationary pressures that fiat currencies face. In contrast to central banks that can print money at will, Bitcoin's supply remains fixed, offering a store of value that isn't susceptible to government manipulation. For this reason, Bitcoin has been called digital gold. Investors turn to it as a hedge against inflation, similar to how gold has historically been used. But Bitcoin offers additional advantages, being decentralized and easily transferable across borders, making it a more liquid and modern option for hedging against economic instability. Taxes, the hidden theft through inflation. The controversial notion that taxation is theft stems from the idea that governments take a portion of an individual's wealth without providing equivalent value. But the broader argument goes further when considering inflation. By printing more money, governments essentially impose an invisible tax on the population. Your savings lose value, and you must spend more for the same goods and services. Bitcoin challenges this system. Its decentralized nature means that governments cannot easily manipulate its value or seize it through inflationary policies. Moreover, unlike fiat currencies deposited in banks, Bitcoin is stored in a personal wallet. With the right cryptographic protections, it can't be confiscated without the owner's permission. True ownership: Bitcoin versus banks. One of the major problems with traditional banking is the risk of expropriation. In times of financial crisis, governments have been known to seize assets from citizens' bank accounts. This happened in Argentina during its economic collapse, where people were unable to withdraw their money due to government-imposed capital controls. In 2013, Cyprus imposed a one-time tax on bank deposits during its financial crisis, resulting in forced asset seizures from citizen bank accounts. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, and as long as you control your private keys, you truly own your Bitcoin. There is no intermediary, such as a bank, that can freeze your account or prevent you from accessing your funds. This level of ownership is revolutionary in a world where financial systems are often controlled by centralized institutions and governments. The future of money. Bitcoin as a tool for financial sovereignty. As inflation continues to be a global concern, and as governments and central banks increase their influence over personal finances, Bitcoin offers a unique escape hatch. It is not just an investment, but a tool for financial sovereignty. In a world where money can be printed and expropriated at will, Bitcoin stands out as a form of money that is resistant to inflation and immune to government interference. In a global financial landscape marked by uncertainty, Bitcoin offers a way to secure wealth and assert individual control over one's financial future. For those who seek a hedge against inflation, protection from government overreach, and the ability to truly own their money, Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a revolution. That's all for today, freedom seekers. Whether it's the latest inflation surges, central banks flexing their power, or governments tightening their grip, the financial world is in flux. So stay informed, stay sovereign, and keep stacking. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to break free from the system and claim your financial independence. Until next time, protect your wealth, own your future, and keep slicing through the inflationary fog. See you soon, Ninja Warriors! Swish, pow, zing! Bitcoin's the freedom ring. Snap, ping, pow! Papo Tribe here and now. Like, share, subscribe, join the Papo Tribe vibe.